Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, some of you may recognise this. It's my Pinecone Wreath that I made 2 years ago. The video is the most watched video on my channel. It's got over 30,000 views by the time I'm recording this, which is absolutely crazy for my channel. If you found me through this video, hi, welcome, thank you very much. I've had this for 2 years. I still love it, I adore it. Nothing's fallen off of it. It's exactly the same as when I made it. But I want to update it, change it a little bit. So, I'm going to use this as my base, and then I've got some things. I don't know if I'm going to use everything. I have these little micro LED lights. I have 2 packs of these. Got these round ball white picks. I'm really not sure if I'm going to use this at all. These are some picks. I have more of them. I thought I'd just see if I like them or not. I don't think I'm going to, but I'll see. And then tons more rainbow, well not rainbow, reindeer moss, because the moss on this is all gone more browny coloured. I don't mind it, but I just thought it'd be nice to have a refresh, and this is so much more than I put on it before. I found this on eBay. I'll link it below if I remember, but I thought it was a really good price for the amount that you get. So, first things first, I'm going to take out all of the old reindeer moss off of this one. I mean, some of this is still good. Maybe I'll get 2 bowls, and then I can separate what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep. So I'll put my keep bowl over here. Can you see that? Yeah, just about. And then my chuck bowl. I'll just have it in the middle. Got my handy tweezers, and I'm just gonna get to work. Right, I think that's all of it out. I'm gonna take this outside and just put it upside down and tap it to try and get any of the remaining little bits of moss to fall off. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. It's not really worth it. I'm gonna chuck that and just use all new stuff. So I'll take this outside, give it a, not a bash, a tap gently on the back of it, and I will be right back. Okay, so back. I've put the door hanging hook back on so I remember where it goes on the back of it. And now I think the first thing I'm gonna do is pop some lights on. I haven't tangled them, no, great. Now I want the battery pack obviously to hang at the back of the door. So it's gonna have to go up the hook and over the door. Maybe if I put that bit in the door frame. So I'll just measure that roughly, and that's about there. So I'm just going to try and weave in the pine cones. If I turn them on, I'll be able to see a bit better. There we go. Try and slide them right in. Okay, there's one set. Now I'm going to get the other set. Oh, you can't really see. You can see like there's one lit up just here and just here. I've got like strong lights on so you can see what I'm doing. Let me turn those off. There you go, much better. You can see much better there. So that's half. I've done half, and then I'll do the other coming down and going round this side. So I'm going to put those on and then I'll be right back. Right, I've got my lights on both sides now. Now let's see what we think about these. Are we going to use these? Do I like them? Oh, I can't decide now. I mean, no. No, 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 no. No, not going to use those. We're going to keep it nice and simple with these, I think. Just want sort of a little pop here and there. I'm just going to place some in. I'm going to have to glue them in, I think. Or maybe if I put the moss on, then I can stick them in the moss. Yeah. I'll get those out now. Okay, so next I'm just going to go ahead with my new fresh reindeer moss. I start stuffing it in all the gaps. I think what I used last time was a chopstick, so I'm going to get the same again. I think I dump a load in the middle. This is also going to blur the lights a bit as well when I turn them on, which is good because that's the sort of look I want. I don't want them to be too in your face. I just want it to be a little bit subtle. Right, there we go. I've only got that much left. So I'm super glad I brought a big bag. I really love the way this looks now. It looks so full and lush. Really Christmassy, all the white through the cones. Ah, looks great. So, these, I'm hopeful I can just poke them in and they'll stay. Don't really want to have to glue them. Oh, one more left, one more left. Where can this go? Where can this go? There's a place. I think I'll just go there. There we go. Right, I'm going to hang this up on the door, turn the lights on the wreath on in a dark room, and show you what it looks like. I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. I think it looks super Christmassy. I hope you like it too. Drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.